being rude. You're a girl.
That kill.
Hey.
Let me go your hair. Papa. Bye. It's for your hair. No. They're in your hair. Yes. They're in your hair. You see this?
Yeah, and then I didn't get my check yet. I still ain't got my check. I fined you the 5th, and I called every social services building. Wanted to know why. They told me that I ain't had a social worker in 3 months. She got fired. So therefore, they never took the time out to give me a new worker in Laurel, and they were supposed to transfer it to Georgetown and never did. I was like, geez, thanks.
Nope. Got your nose.
Look, I'm not staying here all alone.
You staying here with Rob.
No, Mommy.
Boom. Cause you're mean.
Boy,
get out my shoe. Body busters.
Our papa's crying here too.
You're gonna cry in my shoe.
I want to go too.
What? You don't want to stay with Rob? So you can beat Rob up?
Yeah. I'm about to go bye-bye, huh?
Alright. You going bye-bye?
Yeah.
Bye then.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Go.